someone owes you anything, does it mean that you also don't owe anyone anything? Abi? Wrong. Now, you will think that because I said no one owes you anything, then you also should live life with an expectation that you don't owe anybody anything. Not true. You owe everybody what God has deposited in you to do in their lives. Let that sink in. You owe everybody the depth of love. Because that is what it took for God to save your life. Save you. I'm talking to you assuming that you are saved. I hope you are saved. Right? No one owes you anything. But you owe everybody the depth of love as much as God has given you to give.